Hello, doctor. Good morning.
Morning.
So, can you introduce yourself?
Hi sir, I'm Dr. Harish. I've done my MDS in prosthodontics and implantology from Ragas Dental College.
Okay. So, what inspired you to choose JKKN for this senior internship?
So from my BDS days, I had an interest in surgeries. So when I got to know about this course for the fee structure and the number of cases you provide, I think it will be very useful for my clinical practice. So I thought JKKN would be a better choice.
So, this course enhances the expectations.
Yeah, it has fulfilled my expectations. So I've done more than 65 cases now. So I'm confident in doing all type of impactions. So it has enhanced my clinical practice.
So, how do you feel about the leadership and your teaching learning experience with those faculty members?
Yeah. So the staffs are very friendly here. So whatever doubts I have from giving demo from each case for each type of impaction, they have enhanced my skill. So it has been very useful. So the staffs are very friendly.
Okay.